Welcome back to the Milk Street Performance here at Overdrive 2023. We were about to, I forgot what we were about to do, output routing. So while we're in routing, we're gonna tab over to, I'm gonna tab over, it's not really weird, you're watching, to the output tab. And let's send a stereo bus here. I'm gonna say main left is gonna go to output 1. Does that work for you? Cool. So output 1 is main left, output 2 will be main right, and we'll do output 3 as mix bus 1, so you can use that for your subs, right? And while you're at it, you might as well make that sub send, if you're gonna do subs on aux, post fader. So I'm gonna find bus 1 through 8 here, and I'm gonna select bus 1, and I'm going to hit the config button, and I'm going to make bus 1, you can tell I'm on bus 1 somewhere, it says bus 1, I'm gonna make that post fader. So that is made mix bus 1 post fader. I did it, cool. So we routed its outputs, left, right, mix 1, going out of outputs 1, 2, 3. Now that's only half the patching. We now need to send these outputs. I know they say they're analog, but they're not really analog. They're buses that have to be sent to the DL251. So we have to go back over to our AES50 connection. AES50A is talking to DL251, and we have to say, and this is the most confusing thing on the planet, we have to pick outputs 1 through 8 for the first set and outputs 9 through 16 for the second set. So by having these two outputs 1 through 8 going to AES50 1 through 8, these outputs go there. It doesn't make any sense to me, but that's how it works. Okay, cool. With that done, we have, we're probably ready to go visit the Pro Tools rig. I'm just double checking. Oh yeah, of course, you need to go down to the back of this rig and patch outputs 1 to the stage PA input left, output 2 and stage PA input right, and output 3 into the subs, and you're gonna have to turn on the PA. But at this point, you can safely turn on the PA, or you can wait for the end of the whole process if you want. But at this point, the DL251 should have clock as long as you have those green lights up there, and you shouldn't have any crazy loud noise. But moving on, we gotta get the Dante working. So this particular video is gonna show the QLab rig, but any rig like the floater rig might work, or the Live Lab computer. Essentially, get the computer on, get the computer booted, and connect one of the network ports on the back of the computer. We've got these, a rack here with Dante connections. This is going to go plug into the Dante connection on the back of the M32. The M32, it's this barrel connector, and a little shorty goes into the Dante card on the M32 because the M32 does not have an EtherCon connector on the Dante card. So with that in mind, we do have a Dante network between the two of these things. And what we want to do is get Dante Virtual Sound Card working on this computer. So go find Dante Virtual Sound Card and load the app. And the app's already working for me. You can see if it says stop there, that means it's already working. If you press that, will stop Dante Virtual Sound Card. But it has been started and it's working. And I have 48 channels to play with. And that's all I need to do. I just need to start it. And in fact, you can even close this and it will still work. So as long as it's started, you're fine. Next thing you do is you boot up Pro Tools, which I've already done, and you want to make the playback engine set to Dante Virtual Sound Card. If it is, you're all good. If it's not, you're going to have to change it and reboot Pro Tools and all that. Next thing you're going to do is open the Chirichivello video, and Chirichivello. Do you need to tune the drums?
Yeah.